Hi everyone, welcome back to another MOC. In this video, I want to tell you that this is 3-year anniversary of Zachary's Lego Club. Zachary's Lego Club was started on January 24th, 2019, and now we have over 360 videos since that day. It started out from YouTube series to Q&As, mock builds, and other fun stuff, going from 0 subscribers to 1,100 plus subscribers. Thank you so much for the support throughout the years. Please continue to support Zachary's Lego Club by sharing my videos with your friends and family. If you're new to this channel, please don't forget to click like and subscribe to see more videos. Bye everyone, I'll see you in the next video.